Hey, Peter G. Eagles. I hope everybody's doing well. Again, your teachers are missing you a lot. We're talking a lot about coming up with cool ideas for you. One of the things Mrs. Gress was thinking about was Post-it notes. Okay, so you could do anything with a Post-it note, and they're really cool because they're sticky. So I was thinking about a word building exercise that you could do at home, and you could put, and this is perfect, you can practice writing your letters. So you'd be writing one letter on each Post-it, and then you can build words like we would in centers. So let's say Mrs. Gress wanted to build the word hat. So she'd take her first sound, and then she'd put it together, right? And then like at school, we'd go hat. What's the word? Hat, or at, hat. And then you could either keep at words, and you can change hat to bat. Practice it again. Bat. What's the word? Bat. Or you can make it sat. Sound it out. Sat. Or you can make it harder, and you can go splat. At. Right? Splat. And then you can work on your vowel. Change it from splat to split. Put your letter back where it belongs. Find your I sound. Split. Okay, so it's a fun one, and you're putting your letters back where they belong. Okay, and that's a good practice. The other thing I was thinking about was, like, let's say you did the word seed, right? Well, how many E's do you need for that, boys and girls? 2. So the cool thing about Post-its is, and sometimes this is hard in the classroom, we don't have enough letters, you can make yourself more than one E, and then you can build your word seed, or take it away, C, okay? The other thing I started thinking about this, and I thought, if you're having still trouble learning your letters, you could do this, mix them up, and then put them back in order and work on naming your letters. So that's another thing you could do. You could build a word and write it. And then I started thinking about, Post-its. I thought, well, you could put numbers on Post-its, and you could work on your number recognition. You could work on your number order. If you are one of our students who's working on to number 20, build to 20. If you want to go to 100 and do 100 Post-its, which you'd be practicing writing your numbers, and then you could build your own hundreds chart like we have at Number Corner. So I started thinking it's endless what you could do with some Post-its. So this is Mrs. Gress. This is an idea for you at home that you could do, and let your teacher know if you need Post-its. We'll mail them to you. Okay? I hope you're having a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.